Welcome to this educational video on the question of what is micro swing trading, brought to you by ssswingtrading.com. This educational video is also introducing this system here called SS.B. This is a micro swing trading system that is very powerful for capturing quick burst movements with a very good degree of accuracy and the ability to net out a profit by stacking the trades and stacking meaning adding up your revenues minus cost to take out a profit. It also gives you the ability to trade inside price. Now let me explain this. When I say trade inside a price, I mean trade the bars less than the day bar, but not so small that we go into intraday trading. Intraday trading is trading within the day, and the concept is you just get out by the close. You call that day trading. Now, people have used the word day trading to mean swing trading in the general, more you could say ignorant media, financial media marketplace, and they have all sorts of terminology that are just that just don't correlate to what actually is. So anyways, when I say day trading, it's intraday trading. You're in and out of trades within the day. Now micro swing trading looks to hold trades, although not necessarily so, but usually holds trades over past a day. This type of high velocity micro swing trading looks to grab the momentum hard swing that can often and most often happens in between days or within a day, okay, after the swing starts its momentum and then moves through and then accelerates and exhausts. Here's an example on Incredible Charts. It's a free program you can get out there to go study some price action. Well, I'm not sure if it's totally free. Well, you can download it for free and get a certain amount of data. But anyways, I'll let you check that out. So we want to be able to capture these types of movements. Now, on the day bars, you have a big clunky bar that probably incorporates all this price action. We can actually go look here as we look at the date. Okay, you can see the date down here. You can see, right, 15th. Now the 18th starts here with this bar, and here's the 19th. So this all happens within the day. But so for example, if we get in over here, right, on the 14th, 15th, 18th. So we get in to this micro swing move, and we look to ride such a move and get out over here somewhere and just take the money and run. We're not interested in sitting through this whole trade. We're not interested in sitting through the premium decay on the shorter term weekly options that we're looking to trade. Now, you don't have to trade shorter term weekly options. And really, in order for you to maximize that return versus premium decay, all you need to do is simply compare the weekly option of the week you're looking at to the week later, okay? Whereas after a week goes by, how much is your option decay and premium? Then you just divide that by the number of days and you'll get an approximation of the average daily premium decay. Now, of course, that's going to be slower at the start and it's going to accelerate as you go over time because options decay rates are on a curve that speeds up into expiration. You should know that already if you know options. But anyways, my point is that with these 60-minute bars, for example, we can go in and we can still get a great price action story. We can go in early and get into moves that we would not capture on the day bars. We can go in early and we can ride these types of moves, take the money, and run and make a nice chunk of cash. And that's what we're looking to do with this SSB system. So there you have it. Micro swing trading goes on bars such as the 30-minute bars, such as the 60-minute bars, such as the 120-minute bars. And you want to pull up a chart and you want to start studying these bars. There's a ton of opportunity behind the scenes. Now, granted, with micro swing trading, sometimes you may stop out within the day. Now, if that's the case and you have an account less than $25,000 to correspond with that quote unquote pattern day trader rule, which is to help you protect yourself from, I don't know what you're protecting yourself. They forced you to put up 25 grand, into the marketplace, whereas most people who would be forced to put up 25 grand in the marketplace usually don't know what they're doing. So anyways, point is that don't put up 25 grand if you don't know what you're doing. Do a lot of demo account trading and look to start small, and you can offset this overnight factor, whereas you would just simply you could do something such as use you can use different combination positions, but you can go a little further out of the money and say, hey, look, here's my max risk. It's either boom or bust, kind of like a binary option, whereas you are going to make the profit or you're willing to give up that money if it loses. In fact, most people do that anyways. If the trade isn't going their way, they'll throw a little pity party and just let the thing rot. Well, why not, if you're like that, if you've done that before, why not just simply put on a position that you're willing to lose from the start, all right? Losing is not our intention, right? But we have to deal with the cost factor of trading, which is the risk, which is the loss factor. Otherwise, we're not going to run a very good trading business if we just let our costs get out of hand. Now, granted, in order to be successful, you need to have a revenue mindset, whereas your revenues outpace your cost, and with a good ratio, which is your profit margin. All right, well, so here this should be, well, actually it's new thinking to a lot of people. So anyways, in short, I don't want to go into the big spiel here on trading as a business in this video, but you can start to just use some common sense, basic logic, get out of the hype. So many people treat trading so poorly, whereas trading could be the greatest business opportunity, the greatest business to run in the world. Try buying a franchise, putting up several hundred grand to a couple $1,000,000, having a nonstop 24/7 worry to make what? A lot of these franchises barely make much more than a baseline salary. I'm not going to mention what type of career names because I don't want to seem like I'm talking low about them, but a very low salary, all right, in comparison to what you'd expect to make by putting up all that money, and you have all these contracts and all this risk and all these nonstop problems and employees, oh goodness. Anyways, with trading, if you treated it seriously, it's such an incredible difference. So that's what I'm suggesting to you. Anyways, I'm talking too much in this video. So micro swing trading is an awesome thing. It offers you a lot of opportunity for you to cut into price moves earlier and be able to take out more profits, okay, from swings on the day bars. You can get in early, you can get out later with more precision often to be able to take out more profit, whereas you have these big clunky day bars and it's just really hard to capture much profit out of standardized ways of trading swings. That's about it. Come to ssswingtrading.com to check out this system or our other fantastic swing-based, high velocity, swing-based trading systems. Thanks.